If you have never been to Lagos, then I think you should come to Lagos. And when you come to Lagos and you're looking for a place to stay, this is actually one of the best places to stay. This is a two-bedroom apartment in Ikeja, Lagos. Guys, my name is Adedayo. Welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's review, we'll be showing you this beautiful two-bedroom apartment. Before I show you the living room, I'll start with the open plan kitchen. This open plan kitchen comes with a microwave. It comes with a freezer, a single door freezer, as you can see. Now, one thing that makes me like this kitchen is the fact that it comes with a kitchen island. I like the kitchen island a lot, and it comes with 2 seats for you. You know, probably you and your partner, or you and your friends. Now, this apartment is fully equipped with kitchen utensils. A very nice kitchen cabinet. I love the choice of the color of the kitchen cabinet. Now we have a full heat extractor here, a full kitchen area, and we have a wonderful, beautiful and wonderfully made sink here, for your washing this thing. This place also comes with a washing machine, 8 kg washing machine, so it washes and it dries the clothes and all like that. So let's move down a bit and let's see what the living room looks like. So you can go back so they can have the full view of the living room. One thing I like about this place is the color of this couch. I love the color so much, right? And in this place we have a 65 inches, sorry, a 65 inches television, a fast internet. It's a fiber network, so it is very, very fast. One thing I like about this place again is the spotlights, right? I love the spotlights. Me, I'm a light lover. I love lights, I love art, and I love mirrors. So I like the way they use the spotlight. It is over. So if you're making a video and you're on that angle, it shines on you. Another thing about this apartment are the artifacts. I love, this is a diffuser vase. I mean, these are nice stuff here, man. Right? These are nice stuff. See, I think the owner of this place likes art stuff a lot. I mean, see this stuff, original stuff here, guys. Yeah, one thing I like about this place again is the coffee table. It's so nice and unique, right? It's so nice and unique. So another thing you have in this apartment is a full mirror. Yes, there's a full mirror in this apartment. It's very important you see it. Please bring it here, let them see the full mirror. And this mirror is a proper mirror that you can, this mirror is 6 and maybe this is about 8 feet mirror, if not 9 feet, if I'm not mistaken. I also love this original artwork. It's an original artwork, not a printed artwork. It's very important you note. And me, I love when people use original stuff in their properties. Original artwork, original design. Now, this stuff is another thing I find attractive. I mean, I like how they, made it. I like the quality of it. If you are in this apartment and you are cold, you can just, yeah. So, guys, also, I need to let you guys know that there is an inverter in this property. A full setup, hybrid solar inverter. So, this place has 247 power, 247 electricity. 247 electricity. We need to show them the room. Let them see what the rooms look like. So guys, let's go. So this beautiful 2-bedroom apartment, this is the first room, and in the first room you have your 4x6 bed. And I think I like how much pillows they have on this bed, regardless that this bed is small. Very nice space. And I love this dresser. I love this dresser so much. I don't know why most of these apartments, some of them don't like putting dressers again, but this is actually unique. Like if you are a woman and you want to make up, you want to dress, this is the place you put your makeup stuff, or maybe your perfumes and stuff like that. Or maybe when you finish dressing, you have a full mirror. In fact, I think the owner of this place likes mirror a lot because they are like large what's it called, mirrors here. One thing that stands out in this apartment again is the fact that there is a 65 inches TVs in the room, right? A 65 inches TV in the room. You also have a mini cabinet here. So here you can have your, your bags, your clothes and stuffs. You can have it here. Come, let's show them the bedroom as well. And before we do that, I need to let you see something that I'm sure you'll be wondering where the bedroom is. They disguised the bedroom door. So see, right? Then it disappears. Do you understand? So it makes a lot of sense. I mean, I'm tired of saying boring, what's it called? Boring bedroom doors and all like that. This makes a lot of sense. A lot of sense. So let's go to the toilet. Let's see what they have in the toilet. Guys, this is a beautiful toilet. I like this stuff. It's different from the regular washing hand basin. And also their water is clean. Right, as you can see, and this place smells so good. It smells so good. Come and show them this. This is a very nice and unique shower. This thing. Can you see? Very nice stuff. See. So depending on what you want to use. Very nice. So come, let's go to the next what's it called? The next room, and let's see what they have for us there. And I'm sure that second room will be very nice. Guys, I mean, I said it. I know this place will be very nice, but let's go back a bit and let us show them what they see when they come inside. Once you come inside, the first thing you see here is the cabinets, your wardrobe. I mean, right? You have full wardrobes here, full. Like when I say full wardrobes, I mean full wardrobes. So enough clothes, right? Now there is a concept in this room that I like so much, and it is the fact that this wallpaper goes with this lighting. So this is giving like a bed nest, then the trees, and it makes a lot of sense, right? It makes a lot of sense. So if you go on this side, let them see this place. There is a full mirror, like a full mirror, which makes so much sense. Guys, we need to always use mirrors in the apartment. I need to be seeing myself. I need to see what I'm putting on, like a full, like if you can see from the mirror, you can see. I can see myself, like fully see myself, which makes a lot of sense. The bed here is a standard 6x6 bed. A standard one. This is not a this thing. And I love the shade, the color shades. I love the color shade. And as you can see, the color matches. Right? And it matches the color of the house itself. So guys, if you understand what I mean. And also this place comes with a 65 inches TV. See the nice TV console area, the nice artifacts, very unique stuff. And also listen, you don't smoke in this property. It is very important you understand that. Don't smoke in this property. If you need to smoke, there is a balcony and you need to take permission. So I want to show you the toilets. Then before we go to the next unit, because this place, there are 2 units here. So I need you to see the other one. It's like almost the same thing but different colors. So come and show them the bedroom. So very nice bedroom as well. It's almost like the same one with the first one we checked. That's the and this one comes with a nice light around surrounding the mirror, which makes a lot of sense. And the water here is clean. Nice toilets, very clean toilets, right? Very clean toilets. Everywhere is nice, and I think I like this stuff here. Maybe you can place your stuff on this thing. So guys, if you need to book this apartment, the first thing you need to do is what? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our posts. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to follow us on our social media. Thank you. See you in the next video.